Hi friends, good morning. Happy Sunday. We're going to church today and um wala akong mapaglagyan ng aking camera. Try natin dito. Wala talaga. So hindi na ako maglalagay ng earrings. So yan. Happy Sunday everyone and thank you so much for watching my vlog yesterday. Brush your hair now. So, madalian lang na ito. Ito lang yung aking. Naglagay na ako ng lipstick pero konti lang naman. Ito yung gamit ko. Chanel siya. Hindi ko masyadong gusto to. Mas gusto ko pa yung Maybelline. Okay. Madali kasi siya mabura. Kunin ko muna yung para siyang lip gloss. So yan, hindi masyado ako. Naglagay lang ako ng powder kasi late na kami. Pwede na yan. Pasensya na sa aking powder lang kasi lagay ko. Hindi ako nag-foundation. So see you. Magpunta na po kami sa church. Dahil lapit na kasi ang confirmation nila kaya kailangan. So bye friends. See you.
Hi friends, we're back from church. We just came back from church. Say hi. Hi, we just came back from church. Naglilinis kami ng bahay. So, ang lamig, super cold outside. Very cold. Ito po yung mask na gamit ko na sponsored by Halimas Vlog. The mask, yes, sponsored by Halimas Vlog. This mask. She did. I have 6 of them. Sponsored by Halimas Vlog.
So yeah, I have my mask. It's a cute one. It's a good quality. So let's go have lunch. Come on, let's go have lunch, baby. Ana Marie. So, yeah, sa kanya po talaga yung couch niya. Yan. May sarili siyang kasi alam naman namin na sa kanya po yan. Couch niya yan. So, pwede rin namin upuan yan. Pero most of the time, may isa kaming living room na sa amin. Na hindi siya pwede pumunta. Tsaka, naman, pet friendly naman po yan. May cover po yan. Hello, Biscuit! Hi! How are you, Biscuit? Hi! Where's Antonin Ana Marie? Where? Where's your ball? Come here. Come. Come here, Biscuit. Come here. You want some? Come here. Come here now. Come here, Biscuit. Come on. Biscuit, come here. You want some water? Come here. Here, you want some? Come on. Come. Come here. You want this? Come on, Biscuit. Get it. Come on, get it, Biscuit. Biscuit. Come on. Biscuit, come here. Are you sleeping? You're awake. Come here. Good boy. See, that's a good boy. Ang good boy naman ang pa. Good boy. See, he's here. My gosh, nakakagigil ka, papi. Ikaw. Biscuit. Hi. Hi. Lapit naman biscuit. Dito ko pa talaga. I bought this for my basement. I'm trying to clean up my basement. So I need to put extra right there. And look at the head. Lots of kitty chocolate. So I'm here buying some stuff. Hindi ako pwede magsalita, maingay. Kasi maraming tao. See? Sa Walmart ako ngayon. Buying something. Kaloka yung sasakyan ko, punong-puno na. Nagmili ako ng mga friends. Hello. Update ko lang po. Andito na naman ako sa parking lot. Titingnan, pakita ko sa inyo yung sasakyan ko, punong-puno na. Namili ako ng ganyan kasi sa basement marami akong mga ano doon na mga pang Christmas decoration ko. Gusto ko siyang i-organize. So bumili ako ng I think pang ano na to, pang 8. Yeah, I bought some yesterday. 4. Tapos bumili ako before ng 2. Basta marami na akong ganyan. Ino-organize ko yung basement namin. Yung sa kabilang part ng basement namin, gusto ko organize lahat. Ilalagay ko doon yung mga Christmas decoration ko. Yung any occasion ba. So i-organize ko siya. Kaya yun, ganon, nilipat yan. Bumili pa ako dito. Tag $15 ang isa. So it's not bad, diba? Para malinis siya, maganda siya tingnan. Hopefully makapag ano ako, basement tour. Pero wala akong balang mag basement tour kasi ano, marami akong mga seasonal decoration doon na hindi pa siya tapos. Tinatapon ko yung iba kasi nga masyadong marami na. So iyon. So yun nga friends, I'm still in a parking lot. Marami-rami din akong ano nabili pang, mayroon akong binili uli ng mga bagong pang Christmas decoration. I know it's too early pero maigi na yun, agahan natin kasi yung weather dito bigla-bigla nagwi-winter. So baka naman mahuli tayo, 'di ba? Minsan kasi sobrang malamig na. So yun, ay kate. Thank you again everyone. Thank you for watching all my videos and thank you to all my new subscriber. Thank you. Welcome to Kristen's Vlog family. Hi friends, I'm home. So ngayon po maghahanda ako ng dinner. Nagpapaluto ng ham and eggs yung asawa ko for dinner. So magpe-prepared muna ako for dinner. So yun lang po friends, pakita. Gusto nyo pa rin bang makita? I-vlog ko siya saglit. Kahit ano lang, clips lang. So, yun. So, friends, ito na po yung ham. Ano to siya? Mayroon din akong eggs. Ano to siya? Yung parang sweet honey ham na smoke din. So, ayun ang lulutuin ko for dinner. Yun ang request ng aking asawa. So, pagbigyan natin. Gusto raw niya kumain ng breakfast food for dinner. So, why not? Choice niya yung ham and eggs. And I think it's a good choice naman. Masarap yung ham nito eh. Para siyang the way how the made it is like smell like smoke ham or something, but it's really good. We got it from Hy-Vee. It's like $27 or almost $28. So yun. Let's start cooking. Okay, here's our ham. husband's dinner. There's the eggs, ham, and the toast bread. Hi friends, I just got home from work. So ngayon naamoy ko po parang my husband I think is cooking dinner. So we will see kung anong niluluto ng asawa ko. So yun. Here's our dinner tonight. Look what my husband made for dinner. Actually, I finished it. He cooked it and then I finished it. I put some garnish. That's scallions. And then I put this cranberry sauce right there. Roast duck. Okay. So what we did is we just put salt and pepper. I think he also put some onion powder and garlic powder and some oregano herbs. So just for like to add the flavor. And there's a cranberry. Every time we have ducks, we always do have cranberry or sauerkraut. But then we don't have enough time to make the sauerkraut. And we have more cranberry right here. And mashed potato right there. I just made that. Not so attractive, but it's just a simple basic mashed potato. My family likes it, my kids, my husband. And I also made some gravy. Yeah, I made some gravy. It's a duck gravy. It's really good. So yeah, that's our dinner for tonight. It's a duck, roast duck with gravy and cranberry sauce. So yeah, that's it. We're gonna eat now. And my husband's gonna have Lambrusco for tonight. Usually he drinks Lambrusco or red wine at night just for like half a glass. Just to help him out to go to sleep. He said it helped him to go to sleep. So yeah, Han, everything is done. Han, dinner. Okay, it's time to eat now. Bye-bye.